friends wanted to fucking jet ski in this shit. Fuck them. I'll do this shit by myself. I don't give a fuck. This bitch doesn't even have his fucking speedometer. Ah! I got salt in my eyes, guys. Like a lot. Ah, it burns. I can barely keep my eyes open, but we out here. This shit's beautiful. Doesn't even feel real right now. The burn in my eyes feels real, but this is fucking beautiful. I'm really drunk too, so this don't feel real. Look at that plane leaving. That'll be me in a couple days. Oh, he's driving that right into land. This hotel we're staying at. Dreams by Vallarta. Or Vallarta Dreams, I don't fucking know. Something. Look at Gonzo down there, fucking pussy. Look at them, they have no idea I'm watching them.
Is that what you know?
Why do you look so good with that on? Like that just fits you.
I'm an adventure boy.
You just wear that thing around?
No, I mean I hold it, but this is for like when I'm like driving or something.
Every fucking morning. Yeah, burner.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
No, I don't do that, but I could, I guess. This is the camera you would use. This is.
There's a penis cam. You see that penis?
Cause look, you could go like, you could do like something like this maybe. And it's wide. It's like wide lens. So like.
It like goes.
Oh yeah.
Na-na-na-na.
Before you leave.
What are you doing, Kevin?
Hold your hand. Hold your drink.
Oh shit! Gang, 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 gang,
Marty's like, I'm in this
Marty,
too.
Marty, party, party.
Johnny comes up to us, he was like, damn, I didn't, he was like, I made a mistake, he was like, I didn't know they were actually gay. Johnny believes that Mason and Alonzo are gay.
Alonzo, what? Who's giving it? Fuck you guys. Who's biting that shit?
You already know who's fucking giving it.
I don't have body lotion. Shampoo, conditioner, and everything else, but no body lotion.
I gave you guys some yellow.
What, in the back?
Where's that little Mexican? Okay, yeah, we'll keep the noise down. That's fine. Alright, then you back.
What'd they say?
Turn the music off.
What'd they say?
Turn the music off.
They said they.
Turn the music off.
I keep it down, brother.
The lobby's right there.
There's a fucking person next to us.
They know it's us.
same way again? Oh no, he turned it off.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
They got us that time!
Oh shit, Mason.
Bridge. You should grab this thing straight.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Holy shit!
that's sketchy.
Holy dude, this is crazy, man.
Oh.
Mason! Hey, Jay! Hey, I slowed down.
But at least you guys got covered up. We have the razor without the roof. So we got
Oh.
Oh shit.
That's crazy. Sucks getting the shoes wet, but I'm telling you. It's not bad. Dude, this place is amazing. Me? Go ahead. Pretty strong. Current. Okay, there's a hard ass rocks. Yeah, but you gotta keep your shoes on.
I gotta get my shoes. Hey.
Go, 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 go.
Ready, Mason? Holy shit.
Let me see it. This is a sick shot too.
Look at this shit. Look at how many fucking people are on this shit. This is dope. Once in a lifetime shit right here.
Once in a lifetime, it fucking and shit breaks.
Oh my god.
Don't look down. Woo!
Mason, watch out.
Bro, I'm chilling.
Dude, look at his tail. You're pissing it off.
They're not gonna get me.
I mean, I'm not trying to fuck him.
Dude, these are literally raccoons.
Yeah, it looks like a raccoon,
I
right?
fucking hate raccoons.
We heard that, Andy.
I remember like one time like that.
I don't have to take it. Don't take it. Oh. Don't take it. He put his nose on it.
He started biting it.
Oh.